Hey, skincare enthusiasts! Ever looked at someone's skin and thought, wow, their skin is literally glowing? We're talking about that coveted glass skin, a term from K-beauty. Today we're diving deep into the world of glass skin with a simple yet effective routine. Achieving glass skin is about having healthy, hydrated skin that glows. Ready to unlock that inner glow? Let's get started. Before we jump into the routine, let's take a moment to understand the concept behind glass skin. Let's break down what glass skin really means. It's a term that has taken the beauty world by storm, but what does it actually entail? Imagine skin so healthy and hydrated that it looks as smooth and reflective as a sheet of glass. This isn't just about surface-level beauty. It's not about achieving poreless perfection, but rather embracing your natural skin texture while enhancing its health and glow. The goal is a complexion that's plump, dewy, and radiant, reflecting light like a mirror. This level of skin health requires dedication. The concept of glass skin originated in South Korea, a country renowned for its innovative and meticulous approach to skincare. In South Korea, skincare is taken very seriously, with a focus on achieving and maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Achieving glass skin is all about consistency and using the right products. It's a journey that involves multiple steps and a commitment to regular care. Ready to embrace the glow? With patience and the right routine, anyone can achieve this coveted look. Let's move on to the first step in our glass skin journey. Get your products ready and let's dive in. Let's talk about double cleansing, a cornerstone of any good K-beauty routine. This essential step ensures that your skin is thoroughly cleansed, removing all traces of makeup, dirt, and impurities. Double cleansing ensures we're starting with a completely clean canvas. It's like hitting the reset button for your skin, making it ready to absorb all the beneficial ingredients in the next steps of your routine. The method involves two steps. First, an oil-based cleanser to break down impurities like makeup and sebum. This step is crucial as it helps to dissolve stubborn substances that water-based cleansers might miss. Massage it gently onto dry skin to dissolve all that buildup. Take your time to ensure that every part of your face is covered. Next, follow up with a gentle, water-based cleanser to remove any remaining residue. This step helps to cleanse the skin more deeply, ensuring that no traces of oil or dirt are left behind. This leaves your skin feeling clean, refreshed, and prepped for the next steps. It's important to use a cleanser that suits your skin type to avoid any irritation. Remember, we're nourishing the skin, not stripping it. Double cleansing is about maintaining the skin's natural balance while ensuring it's free from impurities. Now that we've cleansed our skin, it's time for exfoliation. Exfoliation helps to slough away dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Opt for a chemical exfoliant, like an AHA or BHA toner, instead of harsh scrubs. AHAs are great for surface exfoliation, while BHAs clear out congestion. Start slow, maybe once or twice a week, and gradually increase as your skin tolerates it. Always exfoliate at night to give your skin time to recover and regenerate. Wake up with a fresh, radiant complexion. Moving on to Step 3, Hydrating Toner. We're all about gentle, hydrating toners that balance your skin's pH and deliver a boost of hydration. Look for toners packed with humectants like hyaluronic acid, rose water, and green tea extract. Apply your toner by patting it onto your skin or using a cotton pad. Make sure your skin is still slightly damp from the previous step to lock in the moisture. Now we're getting to the heart of K-beauty essence. Essences deliver a concentrated dose of hydration and active ingredients that penetrate deep into the skin. Think of an essence as the bridge between your toner and serum. To apply, dispense a few drops into your palms and gently press it into your skin. You can also layer multiple essences to target different skin concerns. Let's talk serums. These little bottles pack a punch and can transform your skin with consistent use. Serums are the powerhouse products in our skincare routine. They are formulated with high concentrations of active ingredients. For that glass skin glow, focus on serums that brighten, hydrate, and even out skin tone. Look for ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to fade hyperpigmentation and brighten the complexion. It also protects your skin from environmental damage. Niacinamide minimizes pores, reduces inflammation, and evens out skin tone. It's a versatile ingredient suitable for all skin types. Hyaluronic acid plumps up the skin, making it look smoother and more supple. It draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated throughout the day. Apply your serums by patting a pea-sized amount onto your skin. This helps with better absorption and ensures you get the most out of the product. Remember, a little goes a long way with serums. You don't need to use a lot to see results. Start with a small amount and build up as needed. This way, you can avoid any potential irritation and find the perfect balance for your skin. Now that we've layered all those amazing serums, it's time to seal it all in with a moisturizer. Opt for a lightweight, gel-based or water-based moisturizer that absorbs quickly. Look for moisturizers with humectants like hyaluronic acid and emollients like ceramides. Don't forget to apply your moisturizer to your neck and décolletage as well. And last but not least, the most important step: sunscreen. Protect your skin from the sun's UV rays. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Apply it generously to all exposed skin and reapply every 2 hours. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable step in your daily routine. And that's it. Follow this glass skin routine consistently, and you'll see a visible transformation. It's all about hydration and protection. Achieve that coveted glass skin glow and put your healthiest, most radiant complexion forward. Like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Keep glowing!